Hello friends, this is a short tutorial about decomposing angles using pattern blocks. Hopefully you have watched the video on lesson 9 and are ready to explore. Let's talk about different things you have on this page. On the left panel you have your colorful pattern blocks. You have the option to add or change grids or take it away. We're going to talk about the grids at the end of this video. On the horizontal line, you have different colors for your pattern blocks. You can clear your work. You can change the size of your pattern blocks here. Duplicate them. You have a cool circular protractor here. You can add equations for your angles as you watched in the video. When you want to get rid of this, either click on done or click on trash can. You can draw lines. This is a freehand pen. You can just draw around with it. This one is drawing straight lines. You can change the color of them. My favorite color is green, so I'm going to choose green. You can erase the lines that you drew already. This is giving you more information, little I. Information page. Just scroll down, read as you please. Shows you how to make different size of angles, how to measure different size of angles. Let's work now. First I'm going to show you what you watched in the video. If you remember, the teacher put 3 of these hexagons together. He said because the center angle is a full angle is 360 degrees, and because we have 3 of these objects, 3 hexagon here, each one of these center angles is going to be 120 degrees. Let's measure it to see. I'm just going to change the size of this. No cheating here. I'm going to align my vertex of the protractor and the vertex of the angle of this hexagon. I align this line on the side angle, and I turn my other side till it covers the other side of the angle, which is 120 degrees. You can explore different shapes with it. If I put this parallelogram here, this angle covers exactly the angle of this hexagon, so we expect it to be 120 degrees, right? Let's see if it is. If I align the vertex and the angle's sides, it is 120. Let's see what happens if I turn it and use 2 of these. Come on. One here. These 2 cover 120 degrees angle, right? If I write an equation for it, it would be 120 divided by 2, 12 tenths, divided by 2 is 6 tenths. Remember, we had this lesson in our division. I'm done. I'm going to measure it now. I bring my protractor here. I put the vertex on vertex. I put one of the sides, align another one. I turn the other one till it covers the other side of my angle, and it perfectly shows that it's 60 degrees. 60 degrees. You can explore with different shapes. Just put different shapes here to see. I'm not going to do it right now. I'm going to leave it to you guys. You just need to turn it. This is a right angle, love, so if I turn it perfectly, I'm going to have a right angle here. Just going to quickly show it to you. Again, vertex on vertex, one side is aligned. I open this up. This is 90 degrees. So the one that is left, what do you think it is? If you write an equation for that, 120 take away 90 is going to be 30 degrees, right? And you can just measure it with your right angle, with your protractor. I'm going to turn it. I'm going to bring my 0 all the way here and close these. This is exactly, oopsie, 30 degrees. Just explore with it, you're gonna love it. I'm going to show you how to work with the grids next, and then the rest of it is up to you. You can explore as much as you want. Let's draw a random angle. If I look at the inside angle, this is the angle that is smaller than a right angle. You call it acute angle, remember. You can measure it. I'm going to put my, oh, I forgot to get rid of this line. Okay. I'm going to put my vertex on vertex again. One line on one line. Open up my angle. This is 35 degrees. The inside angle. And you see the arc here, it shows you the measurement of the inside angle. If I want to measure the outside angle, let's see, I'm going to put my 0 here again. I'm going to turn this all the way. My 0 goes on this angle because we decided we're going to measure this angle up here. I'm going to go all the way around. The reflex angle, which is the outside angle, is 325. If you add it with the 35 you had, it's going to add up to be 360. Just explore, loves. You can just draw different angles, play with it. I really like this website. It's fun to work with and it's really educational. Happy learning!